Let's quickly look at the HMP, that's the Hexose Monophosphate Pathway. And here we are not here to talk about the biochemistry of the Hexose Monophosphate Pathway, but however, we are trying to look at this pathway and how it actually helps in red blood cell metabolism. All right, like that means like how this pathway actually provides energy for the red blood cells to actually go about being strong and all that. Okay, so this is the HMP pathway, and all these images are just to refresh our mind about the HMP pathway. Okay, here we're just trying to talk about the importance of this HMP pathway to the red blood cell. Okay, so the HMP pathway is also known as the Pentose Phosphate Pathway. All right, it is a vital metabolic pathway in red blood cell, and it plays crucial role in things like glucose metabolism. So the hexose monophosphate pathway is an alternative route for glucose metabolism, accounting for approximately 10 to 15% of glucose utilization in red blood cell. NADPH production. The pathway will generate NADPH, which is a reducing equivalent, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of red blood cell membrane and protecting them against oxidative damage. If the NADPH is not there, it will now make the red blood cells very fragile, and they'll be broken down even when they have not reached the number of days that are supposed to stay in the body, right? That's 120 days. It will also produce pentose production. The hexose monophosphate pathway produces pentose, which is used for synthesis of nucleotides and other biomolecules, right? Then antioxidant defense, because it is producing this NADPH, the NADPH will be generated, okay, and this one will basically oxidize glutathione and help to maintain the cellular redox balance and protect against oxidative stress. Energy production, the HMP pathway contributes to energy production in red blood cell, particularly during periods of increased energy demand. Right? HMP pathway is essential for red blood cell function and survival, and its dysfunction can lead to various disease conditions. Alright? So if this pathway is not functioning as it should, that means it has a dysfunction. It leads to various conditions such as glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency, could lead to hemolytic anemia, where the red blood cells are not strong enough, so they are just being broken down even when it is not needed, right? It could lead to hereditary spherocytosis, could lead to red blood cell membrane disorders, right? So in summary, its only function is production, like its most useful function, right? NADPH, right? And basically, it will help in maintaining the it will help in maintaining the membrane integrity of the red blood cell. Okay,